Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is another video on the Battle of the Boxes. It's this month's Glossybox and Birchbox. I'm going to continue doing this series until I feel like it's not worth it anymore. If you don't know what Birchbox or Glossybox is, I'll have all the description that you need and a link over to their websites in my description box, just for you guys to go and have a further look over there. So I've done 1 month of this already and I started with Glossybox. Today I'm going to start off with Birchbox. So this month's box is really cute. It's got different coloured pastel like shapes on here and it's got some reflective as well. So not a bad box this month. I definitely reuse it for some. So these are the products that are inside this month. I'm just going to take out the card that has the information on. So in the box you get a refer a friend to Birchbox kind of like gift card. You get a Bloom and Wild 10% off kind of voucher to go onto their website. And then you get the card that says all the product descriptions in, and obviously it's September. It also says on this little card, it says save the date, Tuesday the 2nd of October. Hooray, as a subscriber you'll be first in line to order the 2018 Birchbox Advent Calendar before it goes on sale to everyone else. I am thinking about getting the Glossybox and Birchbox Advent Calendars. I know in the Glossybox there's Huda Beauty and Real Techniques, all the brands that I love, and I think they're both around the same price as £70. Keep an eye out for those. Right, let's get onto the products now. So the first product I took out is this Caudalie Clear Skin Purifying Toner. I've never tried a Caudalie product before. Kind of smells like mint, bergamot, like lemony sort of smell. Let's have a little read. So the full size of this is £18, which is a 200ml, and this is a 50ml bottle. Unlike harsh toners of the past, this gentle incarnation purifies and refines the skin without drying it out, which with a powerful blend of essential oils and salicylic acid to unclog and cleanse pores, your skin is left refreshed and soft. Apply to a cotton pad and sweep over a cleansed face daily. So that's the first product we have in Birchbox. The next product is this Marcel 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturising emulsion. Apply morning and night onto well cleansed face and neck. Can be worn alone or as a makeup base. So that's quite good, having it as a makeup base. So the full size of this is £23. The size of this is 40ml and this is 7ml in my hand at the moment. Protect your skin from the effects of pollution like dullness, dehydration and irritation with this daily moisturiser. Using City Guide, a complex that acts to shield your skin. Cruelty-free formula provides long-lasting hydration and visibly brightens. Apply morning and night for a fresh, healthy complexion. This next product is from Beauty Protection. Protect and volume spray. Weightless body, increase volume without stickiness. Beautiful shine without weight, creates soft, smooth, full textures. Thermal protection for heat styling. No build up, paraben free, and it's vegan. On before you would straighten your hair. Full size of this product is £21.50. This multitasking spritz gives us everything we want from a hair product: volume, hydration, heat protection and added shine with no grease or stickiness. Spray evenly throughout damp hair before styling for healthy and bouncy looks, plus it boosts a seriously addictive sweet floral scent. It smells amazing. The next product I have is this Ico London Brow Liner, Shape and Define. This is a water resistant liquid brow colour. It's got 1.2 grams in. Let's read a little bit more about it. So the full size of this is £15. I'm not sure if this is the full size or not. Say goodbye to regular brow pencils and hello to this innovative liquid brow liner. Use a precision brush to instantly draw on individual hairs exactly where you want them for natural definition. The easy to use formula allows you to build up colour for a subtle, water resistant finish and long lasting shape. So it's kind of like a liquid eyeliner felt tip sort of applicator. So that's what the colour looks like. It kind of looks green to me. I had to do it twice just to see if it was just the first sort of like swatch or not. So to be honest, I probably won't use this sort of felt liquid thing on my eyebrows. I always use like a powdery sort of product on my eyebrows. Next product is this blush from Benefit. It's the Gold Rush one. This is obviously a deluxe size. None of these products in this box this month are full sizes, which is kind of a letdown. I've never tried a Benefit blushes before, so I'm really excited to try this. So it's very subtle, my kind of blush. You get 1.6 grams in the deluxe size. Sorry about my very chipped nails. So it says Benefit Boxer Powder in Gold Rush. Like sunshine in a box, reach for this golden nectar blush when your complexion is in need of a pick-me-up. The luxurious honey shade is infused with a delicious golden flecks to brighten skin for that lit from within glow. Simply sweep onto your cheeks for a natural looking flush. Bonus, it smells divine. Full size is £25.50, so it is very strongly scented, so if you don't like makeup that smells, not for you. Okay, so that's Birchbox. So my overall thoughts about it. So there's no full size products in this month's box, which is very disappointing. I will use the toner. I'm looking forward to using the toner. The hairspray, I guess I could see myself using it. The Marcel 24-hour anti-pollution day and night cream, I mean, I have got other stuff like it, so probably not. Brows, I'm definitely not using that. It's like literally green. Let's get on to Glossybox. So you guys know that I love Glossybox. I've been getting it for years now, so I'm really excited for this box. Again, it's just its normal pink standard box this month. The description card. And then all we've got to do is obviously untie that and then open the tissue paper. Let me go show you first. It looks like we've got a lot of full sizes in here. It's the start of the new beauty school year, and our expertly curated edit of 6 products will help you prep and get organised this September. So we've got 6 actual products in this month's Glossybox, which I think we had 6 last month as well. Whether you're heading back to work, university, or tackling the dreaded school run, these handbag essentials are perfect for a quick fix before you hurry out the door or while you go on the go. Beauty School kicks off with a brow and lip masterclass. Get back on track and define your features with 2 products in this edit. You'll even learn how to detox your skin and also your scalp for stronger, healthier hair growth with 2 more of our September picks. Don't be a beauty school dropout. Check out the vlog for inspo on how to use the products in this educational edit. So this is the back to school edition. So we have an October sneak peek. Trick or treat, what's coming to your door? We're treating you to the intense antimatter lipstick from Illamasqua to vamp up your look this Halloween. Watch out for our very special October edition. I'm not going to look at any more. Let's get into the box. So the first product that I have is this Glow Gorgeous Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. Our scalp detox has been formulated to care for the skin beneath your hair, helping to remove impurities that block the pores and disrupt hair and scalp growth and health. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment before cleansing hair. Wet hair before applying a generous amount to your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage the product all over the scalp in circular motions. Leave for a few minutes to allow the cooling sensation and purifying properties to detoxify the scalp. It's a 50ml bottle, so it's just a white liquid. It obviously has the little exfoliating particles in there as well. You can see, you can feel the grittiness of it. Let's have a little read of what it says. Scalp detoxing should be a regular part of your regime. The pomegranate enzymes and natural castor oils beads remove impurities that block your roots to create the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. We also love that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. The deluxe mini, which is 50ml, is £7.37, and the full size, which is 190ml, is £28. So the second product is this Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co lip liner in Rosewood. I love how pink it is. So it's like a mauve colour. I have swatched it. That's the colour there. I absolutely love it. I will be wearing this a lot. I know I will. So enhance and define your lips with Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co lip liner. This soft wax pencil allows you to create the perfect pout by giving the illusion of natural fuller lips. Apply the lip pencil directly to the contour of your lips, starting from the middle and smooth to the outer corners. So this is a full size. We have a full size already, and the full size is £25. We have Bang Beauty. This was the sneak peek in last month's box. It's an eyebrow cream. It's nothing gives you a confident boost more than a powerful brow. This eyebrow cream has a velvety consistency that applies effortlessly, so you can get HD brows at home. This is another full size. We've got two full sizes for £16.80. So the colour is milk chocolate, which it sounds like it's going to be a little bit better. So that is a colour, it's definitely going to be better. The angled brush is just a small little brush, and that's the colour just there. So it's definitely going to be a better colour than the eyebrow liquid pen things. So I can't actually wait to use that. I've never used like a pomade sort of product before on my eyebrows, so I will give that a try. So the next product is this Pure and Fabulous Water Lily Body Mist, and I believe it's from the Wild Garden. I think that's the brand, is Wild Garden. This is a 100ml bottle. Let's have a little read and see what that's all about. So yeah, the brand is Wild Garden Pure and Fabulous Body Mist. This brand new body mist is a handbag or desk essential for a quick freshen up. With notes of pear, water lily and warm amber, it will transfer you to a beautiful wild garden. Spray over your body and clothes whenever you need a refreshing floral spritz. Again, another full size in the Glossybox. This is £14.85. So we have two more products left. Okay, so the next product are these, the original and #1 wet ones. Be fresh, refreshing for hand and body. So we have antibac wipes. Okay, so when I saw these to begin with, I was like, why have we got antibac wipes in a beauty box? But now reading the actual, you know, description of this month's box, I get it. You know, like parents have, you know, parents buy these box and they might need more wipes for obviously their children because they're going back to school and all that. So obviously you can put these in your handbags and obviously have them there when you need them. So they're Be Fresh antibacterial wipes. Whether you need to freshen up or clean up, these handy wipes are on the go, must have. They kill 99.9% of bacteria and are gentle, dermatologically tested, and pH balanced, meaning they are suitable to be used on your hands, body and the kids too. So this is a full size and they're £1.19. So we're on to the last product now. This is Beauty Pro Detoxifying Bubbling Cleansing Mask with Activated Charcoal. If you know me, you know I've got 1,000 masks, like, yes, thousands of them. So this is suitable for all skin types, a non-drying formula. It's a deep pore and blackhead cleanser. It refines pores and reduces oil. It is suitable for acne prone skin. So it says, this self-foaming sheet mask bubbles to create a micro massage that cleanses the skin of impurities and blackheads. Utilising activated charcoal and a rich AHA complex created from lime, lemon, apples, orange and grapefruit, this detoxifying mask is also suitable for acne prone skin. Ideal to use before applying a Beauty Pro collagen mask. Let's have a little read on that. We know that September can be a tiring time, so we're bringing you this award-winning sheet mask to revive your skin. Using activated charcoal, a miracle worker for blemished, poor skin, and extracts of lime, lemon, apple, orange and grapefruit, this mask is a wonder for detoxing your skin, refining pores and reducing oils. Sit back and relax while the mask bubbles to create a micro massage which works deep into your pores and cleanses away blackheads. This mask is dermatologically tested and cruelty free too. This is another full size for £4.95. Right, so that's the Glossybox. We had 5 full size products, which that's more like it. That's what you want to see in a beauty box. So obviously, again, Glossybox wins, like hands down again. I'll use more of the products in this box than Birchbox. It is quite disappointing to see, you know, the difference between beauty boxes. Why not add full sizes into Birchbox? I don't get it. I can't even remember if we had full sizes last month. Probably give Birchbox a couple more months just to see if they can step it up a little. But I think after that I'll probably unsubscribe and not pay for that. Just saying. So So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Come and visit me on my Instagram. Instagram will be on the screen somewhere down here. And also it'll be linked in my description box, so go and follow me over there. I do normally post before I upload video. Thanks for watching guys, until next time, bye!